Hello. Hello. Hello, me, I like you.
Which where you come from?
I come from my house.
Like, where you have me down for
For a
some?
long time ago, me like you so
Where you have
much.
me from? For you like me?
Me see you come here and then go here.
Eh, so
then
you
come
watch me
here.
for? Where you what? You can take care of me?
Of
You
course,
have money?
I do have money.
You have money, you hit bread and tea?
Breakfast, that is called breakfast.
What kind of breakfast is? I wish part you come from?
What are all these questions for what now? Me, I like you.
No, seriously.
Me, I
which
just like you.
which way you come from?
Me come from Jamaica, man. Now you like me, you see? Me come from
Which
Jamaica.
part of Jamaica you come from?
Huh? You want me to speak Jamaica?
Me know where you speak Jamaica. You come from Jamaica. It don't make no sense. You know say Nigeria you come from?
Me, I still like you, no problem.
So why you can't say you come from Nigeria? Why you tell lie?
I come from problem.